Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your Kia's infotainment firmware is up to date and Android Auto is supported by your specific model because compatibility saves time. Once done, check your phone runs Android 10 or later or has the Android Auto app installed. This determines connection method. Next, plug a reliable USB cable into the car and phone port firmly. Use the OEM or a high-quality cable because flaky cables cause most failures. Now keep the screen visible and unlock your phone so permissions can appear. You'll now establish the link. After plugging in, watch the phone and car screens for permission prompts. Accept contacts, location, and notification access so voice, maps, and messages work smoothly. Then on the Kia display, choose Android Auto from the applications list. If prompted, pick wired or wireless connection. Wireless requires initial pairing via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once connected, open Android Auto settings to enable preferred apps, arrange shortcuts, and set voice activation. Because tailoring, you finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, place a call, and play audio to confirm everything routes through the car. If something fails, don't panic. First, swap to a known good cable and restart your phone. These simple steps fix most issues. If problems persist, clear the Android Auto app cache or reinstall it, and unpair then repair Bluetooth on the head unit. As a last resort, reset the car's network or infotainment settings. That often restores a clean pairing and reliable Android Auto behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.